Welcome to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Be wise and subscribe. Today's video will be about Microsoft Excel.
How to find and delete duplicate values in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet.
What is a duplicate value? It is a value that is in a cell and any other value that is the same and located more than once in that column or row is a duplicate. Duplicates in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet doesn't mean that they are incorrect all the time, and they can be very useful. Maybe they are there for a reason. Most of the times though, we need to find and delete the duplicate values. I have created a list of capital cities from Europe in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, where I need to highlight the duplicate values. The example doesn't contain a lot of data, but imagine it at a larger scale with much more data. The best way to find and to highlight the duplicate data, so we can review them and then decide if we want to remove them, is to use the conditional formatting. We must select the cells that we want to check for duplicates. Then from the Home tab of the ribbon, we locate the area from the middle right area named Styles and select the command Conditional Formatting where we can. Easily spot trends and patterns in your data using bars, colors and icons to visually highlight important values. Once selected, from the drop-down menu we select the command Highlight Cells Rules, and from the side menu that appears we select the command Duplicate Values. The Duplicate Values dialog box appears where we format cells that contain duplicate values with. In the box next to the command we pick the formatting that we want to apply to the duplicate values. And the formats available are light red fill with dark red text, yellow fill with dark yellow text, green fill with dark green text, light red fill, red text, red border, and custom format where we can specify more format options. Once finished, we press the OK button and the duplicate values are highlighted with the format that we had chosen. If we want to remove the duplicates, we must use the Remove Duplicate feature. The Remove Duplicate will remove our data permanently. So it would probably be a good idea to create a copy of the original data so we don't end up losing any information. Again, we must select the range of cells that we want to find and to remove the duplicates. Then we must select the Data tab, and from the right area we locate the area named Data Tools. In the middle of the Data Tools is located the command Remove Duplicates, where we can delete duplicate rows from a sheet. You can pick which columns should be checked for duplicate information. Once we select the command, the Remove Duplicates dialog box appears where to delete duplicate values, we select one or more columns that contain duplicates. We can select the Select All button, the Unselect All button, and we can activate the checkbox next to the command My Data Has Headers. We can either check or uncheck the columns that we need or don't need to remove duplicates from within the columns area pane. Once we have done all the adjustments, we press the OK button. If no duplicates are found, an informational dialog box appears mentioning No duplicate values found. If duplicates are found, an informational dialog box appears mentioning how many duplicate values found and removed. We are also notified how many unique values remain. With this way, we can review the duplicates and decide if we want to remove them. The choice is ours. We can use conditional formatting to highlight the duplicates so we can review them, and then to proceed with the command remove duplicates.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know. Be wise and subscribe.